Hey guys, if you're considering this because you are looking for a really high quality protein powder that has a vitamin blend mixed in, does not get any better than this. It's a whey protein isolate. I do mix mine into, I just put it in my blender bottle and I shake it. But if you've had any experience with protein powders, you know sometimes they're like chalky and chunky. This stuff mixes like a dream. Sometimes I forget to put the little like shaker ball in here and it still mixes up perfectly. And it says right here, you know, added vitamin and mineral blend. So anytime I can get any added vitamins, I'm here for it. This one is the Dutch chocolate. If you are keto, this is 110 calories and it is 0 carbs. As it says, total carbs 1, dietary fiber 1, so net carbs is 0. 25 grams of protein. Let me show you what it looks like. Turn it sideways. The Dutch chocolate looks like. This stuff is so good. Now I have had all the flavors. This one is my favorite, but Dutch chocolate and vanilla, I mean, I bake with them. They're that good. They are so delicious. If you've had a lot of protein shakes, you know sometimes you drink them and they make you bloat, and this does not do that. This does not upset my stomach. It's lactose free, 0 sugar, gluten free. The one trick that I do, I train fasted, so I'm breaking my fast when I'm drinking this at the end of my workout, but I don't wanna like put tons of fat and protein, right? So what I do is I have a scoop of this and then 2 tablespoons of this, and I'll do a review about this separately, but it's like a peanut butter powder. This is 25 grams of protein per scoop, and this is 8 grams for 2 tablespoons. Between the two, I'm just mixing mine with water, it's 33 grams of protein. Hard to beat that. It just makes the creamiest blend, but what I love about it is I can go another 2, maybe 3 hours. And I drink this at the end of my workout when you're normally like famished, but I will drink this and I don't have any desire to eat for another 2 or 3 hours. I mean, obviously I've already broken my fast, but it's giving my body time to process that and prepare for like real food. For me, this is where it's at. If they make something better than this, I'll try it, but I sincerely doubt that's going to happen. So if you're in the market for a really high quality protein powder, do give this a try. They have it in multiple different sizes. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.